So here's another freakishly useful knot, and that is the trucker's hitch. And there's something about the trucker's hitch that I want you to pay particular attention to. It's the bite. Because when I've made this loop, and then I pull a bend of rope up through it, I've made a bite that creates a loop in the middle of a rope that, when it has tension on it, is a good solid loop. But once I'm done using it, I can pull it all apart. It's kind of important. So I'm going to take that bite up through the loop, and then I'm going to take the end of my too long rope. This is a knot that is used for cinching down loads, hence the term trucker's hitch, right? I've got rope that runs off to a cleat and comes back. I can pull it through this loop that I've created. And now I've got a way to cinch down my load. Not going anywhere.
Do you want to spin that so they can see what you did over there? It might help them.
And depending upon the length of all of these elements, I can get that loop right in the place that I want it. It's that simple. Then I can tie that off. If I had a shorter rope, I would do it with one piece of rope. And tie that off with 2 half hitches, and my load is secure. Okay.
And the cool thing about that is no matter where you're pulling, like as long as you're pulling on that line, it's self-tightening.
Right.
So, yeah.